One of the biggest challenges for working with any CAM system is getting the correct output for your machine. In this video, I'll try to explain what the post-processor developer needs so that you can get your post-processor changes as quickly and painlessly as possible. The first thing the post developer needs is accurately marked up code in order to understand the changes that you want to have made. In the example shown here, I've made several markups that are typical of what might need to be changed in a post processor. Here I have a note to remove the M8 from this line and move it to the following line on the Z1 move. I also have a note to remove the coordinate system comment entirely. Now, an alternative to marking up the code in this way is to take the code that's been edited at the machine and bring it into a text editor and make some markups to highlight what's been changed. And particularly if any M or G codes have been added, it's important to provide notations as to what those M and G codes do. Once we have the edited code, we need to produce a GibbsCAM package file to give the post developer all of the information, the VNC file, MDD, and everything else that was used for producing the code so that they can understand what was happening at the time the code was being produced. You'll select File, Pack and Go, and then make sure that all files remain selected, and you'll click Create Package and navigate to a location on your computer where you can find the file later. Gibbs will then create the package file that you will send with the code files to the post-processor developer. If Gibbs Corporate is the provider of your post-processors, simply email the files to gibbscam.posts@3dsystems.com. Be sure to include your name, company name, telephone number, and any other contact information, as well as any additional notes in the email. If the file size is too large to email, they will provide you with information on where to upload the files so that they can receive them. Likewise, if your local reseller or a third party like CAM Solutions made your posts, the procedure is the same. Simply email them the files, and if the files are too large, they will send you information on where to upload them. Having done all this, the post-processor developer should have all the information they need to make the necessary changes. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local GibbsCAM reseller.